We have some new AirPods competitors from Razer, the gaming company Razer. Razer with an E, which we had to say now because Motorola, they put out the Razer without the E. Now it's Razer confusion going on. And none of which are the Razer that you would shave with. It's a lot of Razer.
Yeah, it's very misleading.
And not as tasty as raisins either. What?
Yeah. That was a bit off there.
Yeah, what? What kind of show you running here?
I think
Razer.
we actually have them here.
Raisins?
Yeah.
These headphones?
I think so. They're somewhere.
You're talking a big game here. Ever since I said peak Willie Doo, now it's just a big game.
Yeah.
He said we got this here, we got that here. He's communicating with everyone. He's going to Apple events that I don't even know about yet.
Tim Cook's coming.
It's incredible. Get Tim Cook. That's a real challenge, Will. Get Tim right on that chair over there.
Oh, I will.
Kirk, show him the chair. Get Tim Cook on that chair. That's what the people want to see. We're going to talk about his sneakers. I got a lot of questions. Anyway, so these are cheaper than AirPods, $99, cheaper than Pixel Buds. And the angle is the gaming angle, obviously. Your Razer at the end of the day. You get the big, what is it, a snake on the logo?
It's a tri-snake.
Yeah, tri-snake. Snake equals gaming. I don't know if you knew that equation. It's similar to E equals MC squared. Snake equals gaming. Green, that color green equals gaming. RGB equals gaming. I'm just letting you know, Will. Just in case you've been taking a nap.
Yeah.
I just got to keep you in a loop. Universe is a loop. Well, it's up for discussion. Yeah. It's a dispute. Listen, they took a gaming approach, and how do you think about it? How do you take a gaming approach with a pair of earbuds, wireless earbuds? At first, I couldn't. Okay, what are you doing? You're just throwing your hat in the game here. Throwing your hat in the
ring.
Throwing your name in the hat.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know. When you put the slips in the hat. And
yeah.
But then I'm doing some reading here, and there's actually an angle. The angle is latency. See, they're saying your typical Bluetooth has some lag to the visual of the voice or the action. And I notice it with Bluetooth. And for music, it doesn't really matter. You're listening to music. What's the lag? What are you matching it to? Right. But I notice with Bluetooth in the car sometimes and things like this, if you're waiting in a parking lot and you can actually load up a video, but it's connected to your Bluetooth in the car, it's crazy lag.
Huh.
And so you're watching the thing and the lips are moving, but the audio's coming later. They were able to cut down the audio latency to 60 milliseconds. And you enable this feature by hitting the touch sensor 3 times and then holding your finger for 2 seconds. That's a real genie. That's a genie action there. What do you rub the?
Yeah.
You rub the genie? You don't rub the genie. You rub the.
You rub the Razer.
Wait a second. What are you rubbing with the genie?
You rub the
lamp.
The side of the lamp.
It's a lamp. See, the confusing part there is a lamp hasn't looked like that in a couple of years.
Where are you going with this?
You know what I'm talking about? The genie, the lamp the genie comes out of.
Yeah.
Is not a lamp. I mean, it's an oil lamp from what era? Type in genie lamp. Yeah, it's a Moroccan oil lamp. Oh, of course, he has to come out of a Moroccan oil lamp because it's a genie. Where's the light come out of something like that? The light comes out of the nozzle. Didn't think I was going to get the nozzle today. Anyway, yeah. Why are we rubbing the lamp? Can someone remind me?
For the 3 wishes.
Oh, yeah, 3 wishes. You get 3 wishes.
Robin Williams.
That always screwed me up, the 3 wishes. And then the smart kid at school would say, wish for more wishes. Why don't you just wish for more wishes? I wish for infinity wishes. It's like infinity is more of a concept, but yeah. That's how kids used to throw it around. Anyway, so you tap it 3 times, and then hold it for 2 seconds. So that's a 1, 2, 3. That's such a gamer move.
And
Stat.
Then what happens?
Come in there. Are you there? Triggering my latency.
It's like, Lou, your ear's bleeding.
Trigger low latency mode. What are you doing, man?
That action is keep doing it. It's never not fun.
Why can't you just hold it for 2 seconds? Why do you have to tap it 3 times first?
So that triggers the low latency? Why can't it become low latency to begin with?
It's going to use more battery life.
Oh, okay.
So if you're using it for just music, you can use standard audio mode. The gaming mode is always ready to go when you need to game, but it's, you can trigger it on and off with that particular gesture. Oh. I don't know why they went with it. I'm assuming people are probably yelling right now. Lou having fun. How dare he have some fun on there? There's no fun out here. Yeah. You can't have any fun. But truthfully, there's probably a reason. I'm assuming that just pressing and holding does something else. And so they decided, I'm sure they tested it, and people didn't want to trigger it accidentally with the battery life. Most cases, you're probably not going to use the low latency mode if it does consume significantly more battery. Mm-hmm. Most of the times, you probably can put up with the lag. And then I suppose the way they see it, if you're in a real important gaming scenario, then you toggle it on, and all of a sudden the gunfire and whatever else happens in the game, you're hearing it at the right point in time, and you're using it, of course, with the Razer phone as well, and it's getting real serious. And then that's when you go for the low latency mode. Otherwise, you're looking at about 16 hours of listening time with the case to top them off. So it's the similar setup to other fully wireless earbuds. The case is going to amp up the charge. I mean, it's a pretty attractive price, $99. Mm-hmm. They're black, which is cool. You still can't get AirPods in black. Of course, you can compare these to the new Amazon product as well as the Galaxy Buds. If you say they're here, then I'm going to test them out. I didn't know that they were here prior to selecting this story. So let's just check it out. Little preview. Unbox Therapy preview. We'll do an unboxing video. We'll test them out, and we're going to tap away.
There you go.
We're going to tap the old ear canal there and go to the low latency and check the difference. But I'm interested.